Investment trends in China have experienced a notable shift, transitioning from a focus on property to commodities, equities, and bonds. China's investment landscape has seen significant changes, moving from the once dominant property sector to a broader mix of commodities, equities, and bonds. However, as bonds and commodities begin to show signs of overextension, there is growing speculation that a shift back to equities could be on the horizon. The reasons behind these changes are examined, focusing on the impact of China's closed capital account and the resulting search for short-term investment opportunities. In parallel, U.S. companies like Apple, which heavily rely on China's market for growth, are facing mounting challenges. Nationalistic sentiments among Chinese consumers are driving a preference for domestically produced goods, which has already led to a noticeable decline in Apple's market share. The upcoming iPhone 16 series, featuring the new Apple Intelligence, may not fare well in China due to technological incompatibilities with China's stringent internet regulations. Apple could face significant headwinds if it fails to address these challenges, with broader implications for U.S. companies with significant exposure to the Chinese market. A few years ago, the Chinese property market was the undisputed king of investment opportunities, with massive capital inflows fueling rapid urbanization and development. However, in recent times, commodities like iron ore and copper, essential for infrastructure projects, gained favor as investors sought to capitalize on China's industrial growth. Now, with these sectors showing signs of fatigue, the question arises, will equities become the next frontier? Apple, once the darling of Chinese tech enthusiasts, is now grappling with a shift in consumer preferences. Apple's share in China has dropped significantly, with China's tech-savvy population increasingly looking inward, choosing homegrown brands that resonate more with their identity. This shift could signal deeper challenges for global brands in the Chinese market, where national pride and technology sovereignty are becoming ever more critical. As Apple prepares to launch its iPhone 16, the stakes are high. With hundreds of millions of iPhones already in use in China, and with no compelling reason to upgrade, the company may find itself at a crossroads. How Apple navigates this landscape could set the tone for other U.S. companies facing similar challenges in China.